You don't need any exercise other than these 3 to build a huge chest. Using the wrong chest exercises leads to slow growth, a bird chest, and wasting time in the gym. Let's prevent that. Good news is you only need these 3 exercises to build a huge chest. Number 1, bench press. Bench press works your entire chest. Bench press is essential to any workout program. Bench press is a classic movement used by professional bodybuilders for decades for a reason. It works. Next, before we get to number 2, never feel embarrassed taking your shirt off again by downloading my 2 free workout programs. Go to jcarteray.com/free workout programs. Link is also down below. These are the same workout programs that I use to build my dream body, and I'm still using the Trap God program to this day. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to download these programs because they won't be free and available forever. Download them while they're still available now. Number 2, incline bench press. Incline bench press works your upper and lower chest, focusing on the upper chest. Incline bench is another classic. Use a small incline, no more than 30 degrees. The lowest incline is the best in my opinion, so just 1 notch up from the bottom. You can use dumbbells for extra range of motion and more gains. Personally, I use a barbell because I can have more weight on there, but dumbbells are a good choice. And lastly, dumbbell flies. Dumbbell flies work your entire chest. The bottom position of the lift makes you feel that stretch in your chest a lot. Perfect for helping your mind-muscle connection. If you're doing bench press and you're feeling like you're never feeling your pecs, try the dumbbell flies. You'll feel your pecs doing dumbbell flies. Trust me. Dumbbell flies are the perfect accessory to add to the classic bench stuff. The only 3 exercises you need to build a huge chest are 1, bench press, 2, incline bench press, and 3, dumbbell flies. Stop wasting your time doing inefficient workouts. Build a balanced, aesthetic body using the same exercises I use in my free workout programs. Link down below. Like and comment for the algorithm. I'll see you in the next video.